Every silence speaks a sound. Turn the world around, we'll find our way. In this endless sky, we'll never fade away.
Sarah, are you ready?
Yeah, she is ready. Nicholas, are you ready? So let's start. Sculpture Falls waiting for us.
Our footsteps sink in perfect rhythm still. No need to rush, we've got all time. Let the magic paint
The terrain gets rocky, so make sure you have proper shoes.
us together. Dreams of castles built from paper planes. We're writing stories that no one can erase.
So many stickers.
Laughter dances in the midnight rain. We're chasing shadows on the city wall. No words are needed, just this moment's call.
Are you tiger?
Or bear.
Oh, bear.
Lots of people using this trail for running, jogging, or just morning hike, or even hiking to the falls to enjoy a little bit of nature at the beginning of their day. Bellissimo.
What if the stars decide to fall? Will we still hold on tight? Promise me we'll stay true.
I can hear what to go right there. Are you sure we're going right direction?
Yeah, we follow the signs. Hopefully they will lead us to the falls. We hear some water, maybe going wrong way. We did a small turn out of our main hike just to check the water flow and the river. It's gorgeous. It's hard to believe that right here in a big city, just couple minutes from it, there are such a nice area where you could enjoy the nature, the creeks, the waterfalls and the river, and you can even swim here. It looks like Nicholas started enjoying the hike. Nicholas, do you like it? Everything is good? How do you feel? You good?
Are you falling asleep again?
Nah, she's chewing your backpack.
Okay.
Sculpture Falls doesn't have a sign. You just have to know. And trust me, you would not miss it. You would definitely hear it.
What do you think? Will you swim?
Actually, the water around 68 to 70 degrees all year round. So I would definitely check it. But then we will see. You always need a small snack. And give me your hand. So the girls already found their perfect spot. So this area is dog friendly, so you could always grab dog with you, or cat if you want. Always make sure that the water is shallow and there are no sharp rocks, because you never know. But the water is actually crystal clear and you could easily watch through. And looks like Nicholas enjoying. Nikki, do you like it? I definitely suggest to visit places like this after rain, maybe 1 or 2 days when the water becomes clear, so they're full and you could swim and enjoy here. The water is warm and joyful. The best moments like this. This area is our #1 for swimming and walking. When you wanna change a little bit Cedar Park or Texas atmosphere for something more watery. So it's almost 9 AM and the place become more crowded, even on the weekdays. Kids all in their backpacks, enjoyed swimming, and it seems that they don't want to go back. Nicholas, do you want to swim more?
No.
No? You want to go back? My backpack with a child around 50-55 pounds. Your backpack maybe like 10 pounds less, but also very heavy. Nicholas asked me to run a little bit. He loved when I run. So the way back is always easier, but we should a little bit increase our pace to make sure we will be at home until the kids' nap time.